Hey guys, welcome to Noodle Diaries. So today we're going to switch things up a little bit, and that means instead of doing a noodle review today and a instant noodle taste test, I'm going to be making some noodle soup using this. So first I boiled some ginger in water, and then I add some shrimp, scallops and calamari. These are frozen that I got from Trader Joe's. Once that's boiled, I add my noodles in the mix and just kind of push it so it's all in the container, in the pot. There goes some chicken dumplings. These are also from Trader Joe's. Some cherry heirloom cherry tomatoes, and finally some shredded broccoli and carrots. Let it boil and serve with chili oil. If you like this recipe video and would like to see more, remember to hit like and click subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.